Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and today we're going to start by looking at this amazing liftgate. This Palfinger Cantilever liftgate sports a 3,300 pound capacity. The liftgate deck is the entire rear door. That deck measures 94 inches wide by 78 inches deep. It includes cart stops and a handheld remote control. The cargo box you see here is manufactured by the Supreme Corporation. It measures 12 foot of usable length and comes with E-track and a translucent roof. The powerhouse for this rig is a 2017 Chevrolet 3500. It has a 6.0 liter V8 Vortex gas engine, as well as a 6L90E automatic transmission. It has 120,000 miles on the clock. For more information, give us a call, 405-912-5800, or view our huge inventory of box trucks and cargo vans on our website at Truck-n-Trailer.com.